Welcome all of you guys. This is the lesson number 58 for grade 2 mathematics. What we are studying nowadays, we started yesterday a fraction. I'll give you a quick go through what we learned yesterday and then we will start practicing what we are learning, right? So we learned about the fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is the one which tells us how many parts of a whole we have. Like we see there, if we have a circle and we have divided into four equal parts, so how many parts of a whole we have, that's represent fraction. And if we write fraction, so we can represent this by slash. We can write one number on up the slash, one number down the slash. So this is all about the fraction that tell us how many parts of a whole we have. Okay. Further, if we move on, so I gave you the example that if you have one piece of paper, take out, let's suppose you have one piece of paper. What you did, fold it in that way that they both are having same ends. Okay, like fold it equally in half parts. After some time, when you unfold it, so you will find a symmetric line between between these in between this paper. Okay, this means this piece of paper is now divided into two equal parts. This is half and this is half, and this whole is one. So this half and this half, that is making one. So if I talk about this part, so this is the one part out of two part, because there are total two parts. When I fold the paper and unfold it, so I see that this paper is divided into two equal parts now. This part is one part out of two parts, and this part is also one part out of two parts. This is half and this is also half. So half we represent half by 1 over 2. Why I write 1 over 2? Because there are total two parts. So I write 2 down, and I am talking about the only part here, this part, left part. So I write 1 here. Okay. So 1 over 2 is one part out of two equal parts. Now what I will do, I will fold it one more time. I take a piece of paper, I fold it one time, then I fold from this side to this side again. I show you. Look here. Now I fold it again. I fold it two times. First I fold it vertically, then I fold it horizontally. Okay. After some time when I unfold it, so I see now again the piece of paper is divided into four equal parts. Okay. One, two, three, four. And every part is a quarter of a whole. Every part is a quarter of whole. When I divided into two parts only, so that was half and that was half. But now I divided into four parts. So there are total four parts. So I write four here down. And if I talk about this part, so this is the one part out of four parts. So this is 1 over 4. If I talk about this part, so this is also the one part out of these four parts. So this is also 1 over 4. If I talk about this part, so this is also the one part out of these all four parts. And if I talk about this part, so this is also the one part out of four parts. So that's mean if I divide a piece of paper into four parts, so I will have every part that will be the quarter of the whole, one or one fourth of the whole. Okay, let's move further. We did some examples, and let's learn about the numerator and denominator. I told you yesterday, guys, what is numerator and what is denominator. I tell you that denominator is the one which shows the total number of equal parts. Look at there. There are how many total number of equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why you will write denominator 4. In the down you will write 4. And What is numerator? Numerator is the one which shows the number of parts that have been taken or shedded. The number of parts that have been taken or shedded. Look again. Here there are four equal parts. So you write 4 in the denominator. There are total 4 parts. And if I talk about this part, so how many parts? This is the only one part. So I write 1 in the numerator. We'll have one more example. I again repeat. Denominator shows the total number of equal parts. A fraction is divided into how many equal parts? That's representing denominator. While numerator shows the number of parts that have been taken from that have been shedded. Okay, let's look the example. Look at this example, guys. This is a circle. Okay, this circle is divided into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. So you need to write out this fraction. So for writing a fraction you should know how many total parts are there. This is 1, 2, 3. So there are total 3 parts. You will write 3 down and you will see how many parts are shaded or taken in order to write numerator. Remember guys, you write denominator down and numerator up. Denominator down, numerator up. And this is the slash that is showing fraction. Okay. So if you see the circle, there are 1, 2, 3 circles. It is divided into 3 circles. So you write down 3. Now for numerator, you check how many parts are shaded. So this is the only part that is shaded. So you write 1 here. Look again here. You look this pentagon. It is divided into how many equal parts? Because you need to write its fraction. So for that, first you will check how many total parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 parts. Okay. And only one part is shaded. So you write 1. Or you can also say this part. If I talk about this part, so this part is one part out of 5 parts. This part is one part out of 5 parts. And if you look at this, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is divided into 6 equal parts. So down you will write 6. And if this is only shaded, so you write 1 because this is the only one part you have taken out or that is shaded. If that is two parts are shaded, so I must have written 2. So let's stop sharing this and move to again R. Do you understand fraction, guys? Can you do exercise now? Yes. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, I got what's
Yes. Sir, please not
Okay. Okay. So we were doing this exercise, guys. This is the practice exercise. What you have to do here, you have to look at the picture, you have to write the numerator, you have to write the denominator. Okay. This is the figure, guys. First, you have to write the fraction. So I will start with the denominator. If I write the denominator and numerator, that's mean I will be able to write its fraction also. Okay. Denominator is the one which shows the total number of equal parts. So how many total number of equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I write 4 in the denominator. Okay. What is numerator? Numerator is how many parts are shaded or taken. So 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. You take 3. Right? So how to write a fraction? You write numerator up 3 and denominator down. So 3 by 4 is the fraction. Okay. Now for B. In B, you have to tell me the denominator first. Okay. For denominator, you will tell me how many total parts are there. How many total parts are there in this figure? Yes, guys. How many total parts are there? It is divided into how many equal parts?
6.
Six. Six.
Seven.
Someone is saying 6, someone is saying 7. Let me help you. I will take a pointer and I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it is divided into 6 equal parts, right? So what is the denominator here? Yes, guys. What is the denominator here?
Six.
The denominator is 6. Very good. 6 is the denominator here. So you will write 6. In the denominator, you will write 6. Okay. Now I want to write the numerator. For numerator, you have to check how many parts are shaded. So I am going to open the chat. You have to tell me the numerator, guys. What is the numerator here? What is the numerator here, guys? 2, Muhammad Farooq, Sharif, Umar, Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz only one time. Amal 2, Adam, Iyad, Muhammad Hitam 2, Abdul Rahim Fadi, Suleiman, Asser, Ali Nizar, Asser. Ali Nizar only one time. Meki, Riyas, very good. Abdul Aziz, Asser, Os, Muhammad Abdul Aziz, Yad Shami, very good. I see who is not replying. Who is not answering? Ahmad Yusuf, I did not receive your answer. Anas, Animane, Hajar's iPad, Mohammad Al Saghir, Nasiba Amin, Yusuf Ali, Zaid, Majid Awaz. Why you are not participating? You have to participate, guys. Okay, okay. Don't answer again and again. Only one time. All right, guys. So there are parts there are 2 parts shaded out of 6. So there are total 6 parts, and out of 6 parts 2 parts are shaded. That's mean the numerator is 2. The numerator is 2. So you will write here 2. Now I need to write fraction. So I will write 2 divided by, I will write 2 and I will divide 2. I will write 2, then I will write fraction sign. 2 up and 6 down. 2 up and 6 down. 2 up and 6 down, and that is a fraction sign. Two by 6. This is a fraction, right? For fraction, you write numerator up, denominator down. Any problem?
No.
No problem. No problem.
All right. This is now fraction. Okay, you have written fraction for B. Now for C. Guys, for C, we have to write denominator, numerator, and fraction for C. Can you tell me the denominator for C? I'm going to open the chat. But guys, if you answer me more than one time, I will cut your marks. Everyone has to participate and everyone has to answer only one time. Tell me the denominator of figure C. I want to know the denominator of figure C. This one. Yes, denominators. Sharif 7, Oz 4, Muhammad Hitham 7, Muhammad Farooq 3, 7, Umar Hassan 7, Oz 7, Rafiq 7, Asr 7, Ayat Shami 8, Anas 7, Ayan 7, Abdul Rahim Fadi 7, Muhammad Ashraf 7, Saud 7, Suleiman 7, Ayad 7, Adam Khalid, Abdul Aziz, Amjad Muhammad, they all are saying 7 7. Even some of the students are not participating. Guys, I have taken your names. Why you're not participating? Do participate in the class. Os, Muhammad Al Arbi. 4 is not the answer. I'm asking the denominator, not numerator. Amal, very good. Abdul Aziz is good. Okay, guys. Sharif 7, Iyad Shami. Okay, wait. Let me take Iyad Shami question first, then I'll tell you the answer. Where is Iyad? Yes, Iyad.
So this in the not in the book.
This is not in the book. This is the practice sheet, okay? Just you have to understand and you have to answer me. Okay?
Okay, you don't take it in a class here.
Yeah, I will upload it. No problem. Okay?
Okay, bye. Okay.
Bye. Alright, guys. So I need to check who was correct. So for denominator, you have to check how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 parts. This rectangle is divided into 7 equal parts. That's mean its denominator is 7. So I will write 7 here. Okay. Can you guys tell me the numerator here? Yes, can you tell me the numerator?
Four.
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 4. Very good. Very good. Very good. The numerator is 4. How do you know? Because numerator shows the number of parts are shaded or taken. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So 4 parts are shaded. So you will write here 4. Numerator is 4. This is your answer. Okay. This is your answer. Coming to the figure D now. Coming to the figure D now. And you have to tell me the denominator of figure D. Yes, I'm going to open the chat. Tell me, what is the denominator in figure D? In figure D, what is the denominator? Yes. What is the denominator in figure D? Muhammad Farooq, 8. Suleiman, 8. Adam, 8. Abdul Rahim, 8. Ayad, 8. Os, 8. Ayan, 8. Muhammad Al Harbi, Asr, Amal, Saud, Asr, Abdul Aziz, Maki, and everyone is saying 8. Other students, Muhammad Al Sagir, very good. Good to hear from your good to hear your participation. Good to see your participation, Muhammad Al Sagir. 8. Yes, Sharif, tell who is Omar Hassan, Anas. Amjad Muhammad, very good. 8. Saud, not 5. I am asking for denominator. Manthur, 8. Okay. Rafiq Samin, no. Yat Shami, behave yourself, please. I'm asking for answers, okay? Okay, guys, let me check. Many of the students are saying 8. Let me count it. How denominator, I want to write denominator that shows how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, you were right. There are total 8 equal parts. That's mean its denominator is 8. So you will write here 8. Okay. And what is numerator here? Can you tell me the numerator, guys? Yes.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
You are saying 5. Let me check. Numerator shows the number of parts that are shaded or taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're right. The number of parts that are shaded, these are 5. So its numerator is 5. So we will write 5 here. Now we need to write its fraction. How we will write fraction? We'll write numerator up. We'll write numerator up and denominator down. So this is numerator, and then I will write denominator, that is 8. That is 8. We also did not write fraction here, that is 4 by 7. So this is 4, we write up. 4 by 7. So you write 7 here and draw a fraction line. 4 by 7, and this is 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Now coming to the figure E. Yes, guys, tell me the denominator of figure E. I'm going to open the chat box. Denominator of figure E. Yes. 9. Os, Muhammad Farooq, Amjad. Check it carefully. 9. Abdul Rahim. Okay, everyone is saying 9. Let me check for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yes, very good. The answer is 9. There are total 9 equal parts. So that's mean 9, it is divided into 9 equal parts. Can you tell me the numerator here, guys? Yes. How many parts are shaded out of 9? Out of 9, how many parts are shaded? 6. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Look here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 parts out of 9 parts that are shredded. Very good, guys. So we will write 9 in the new denominator. 9 in the denominator. Because there are total 9 parts. And we will write 6 in the numerator. Out of 9 parts, 6 parts are shredded. What will be the fraction of it? It will be 6 over 9. It will be 6 over 9. Then you will write 9. Six over 9. Very good. Okay. Now coming to the F. In F you have to tell me how many total parts are there. Then you have to tell me how many parts are shredded and what is the fraction. Okay. Yes. Can you tell me the denominator here, guys, in F? Can you tell me the denominator in F? Guys, don't need to shout. If you shout, I cannot understand. I can't understand, okay? So, one by one, tell me the denominator in figure F. 8. Someone is saying 10, someone is saying 8. Okay. Let me check, guys. Look, denominator, to write denominator, we should know how many total parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So how many equal parts are there, guys? Yes. How many? 10. Not 8. It's 10. It's 10, not 8. Okay, there are total 10 equal parts. So we can write denominator. It is 10.
Yes, it is 10. Yes.
So this is 10. Now if I ask you how many parts are shredded, can you tell me how many parts are shredded? What is the numerator here? Seven. Very good. The answer is 7. Let me check for you. Let me check for you. Look here. What I will do, I will count the shredded one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So out of 10 parts, 7 parts are shredded. So I will write 7 in the numerator here. This is 7. So how I will write its fraction? 7 up. I will write 7 up and 10 down. So this is 7 and this is 10. and I'll draw a fraction line. 7 by 10. 7 by 10. In that way you can write. Okay. These are the answers, guys, how you have to write denominator, numerator, and fraction. So in figure A, guys, you have total 4 parts, and out of 3 parts out of 4 parts are shaded. In figure B, there are total 6 equal parts. Out of 6 equal parts, 2 parts are shaded. In figure C, there are total 7 parts. 4 parts out of 7 parts are shaded. In figure D, there are total 8 parts, and 5 parts are shaded out of 8 parts. In figure E, there are total 9 parts, and 6 parts out of 9 parts are shaded. While in F, there are total 10 parts, and 7 parts out of 10 parts are shaded. I hope you understand. A fraction, numerator, and denominator. We'll do further exercise tomorrow and come into the book also. So, is there any question, guys?
No.
No.
Do you understand? Do you understand about the numerator, denominator, and fraction? How to write numerator, denominator, and fraction? Yes or no? All right, guys. All right. So the class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you into the next class. Until then, take care of self. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.